I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking to upgrade your plastic containers from some nice quality glass containers, definitely check out Bayco. This set comes with 3 different sizes for 3 different shapes of food containers, and it's so convenient. So you have your circle shape in 3 different sizes, you have a square shape, and you have a rectangle shape. I find myself using all of them equally. They are really nice, very stackable, and they fit really nicely in my fridge. They're also made of really high quality glass. I say this because they haven't broken. Not one has broken, and I've had them for over a year. I put them in the dishwasher or I clean them by hand, and we're not like the most gentle people when it comes to dishes, so I'm really surprised how well these have lasted. I love that they're dishwasher safe, they're microwave safe, and they're just overall in general safer than using plastic. The seal on the lid is also really nice. It's made out of silicone and it is completely leak proof, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you're in the market for some really nice high quality glass containers to use for food storage, definitely check out Bayco. You're gonna love the quality of these glass containers. You're gonna love how stackable they are and how easy they are to maintain. That's just my point of view.